Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your girl. I'm back again. Look at that, your girl dropping that content, keeping it going, doing this quarantine time. Yes, I am. So listen here. If you are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, homie. Do me that favor. You know what I'm saying? Your girl on the road to 1K. Yeah, I'm almost there. Almost there. And if you could, after watching this video, drop me a comment, hit the like button, and give your girl a share. Share this, because this about to be dope. I'm about to share something dope with y'all. So I'm not sure if y'all know, but we got Who Has to Eat. And right here on your girl channel, 313 Retro Queen, on YouTube, and it's live, okay? You got me, your boy E-Money Shoes, McFly KOF, and PM Kicks. We here. We got battlers. They going head to head, pulling out the best shoe to see who got the heat based off the questions that you, the chat, are providing. So come on in, join the chat. Y'all go ahead and vote. You know what I'm saying? This is a collective. You know, we're hosting, but you know what I'm saying? Everybody is in on this. So again, battle face off on Thursdays at 8:30 p.m. Eastern, and then the show, the actual battle, kicks off on Saturday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Now, this what y'all came for. So your girl had to have them. You know, love me some Air Max 90s. The duck camos came out. Missed them on the sneakers drop app. Went straight over. I wasted no time, okay? Like, people probably didn't even, I got the sold out. I went straight over, caught my pair. Had to have them. So I'm going to share this with y'all in the original Nike box. See that? Nike. Now, if y'all can see that, it's my size 6. Women's 7.5. Yes. So when we open this all up, like I said, I ran over, had to get them from StockX, and yes, I paid over retail. I don't even care, because I had to have them. Oh my God, look at that orange, look at that camo. These are dope. I don't care what anybody say, but camo and orange, green and orange, like the color combination is just fire. Like it's the dopest color, one of the dopest color combinations out here. You know what I'm saying? Let's see, here go the left shoe and here's the right shoe. Okay, here we go. We got the close-up action going on these. Okay, so there you have it. Look at that bright orange toe box, man. These are killer. Okay, and you know, I'm surprised my brother, he's a hunter, he didn't get these, but he thought they was dope, and he can't get his big feet in these, so these are all mine. So as you can see, this comes with white laces already in them. Yeah, I'm not feeling that. Then you got the black laces in the bag that come with them. We got 3 sets of laces. Here you go. And you got your tongue here. The whole tongue under here is camo. Then you got the orange Nike Air tag on there with the Air Max at the bottom of there. Of course, you got the Nike tag here on the right shoe. You got your little tag, your little Nike tag. On this outer portion here, you got all this wrap here. It's all camo. You got your Nike swoosh in black. You got your Air Max in orange in there, as you can see. The air bubble inside of that is orange, surrounded by black midsole, wrapped in the white. Come around the heel, you got the white midsole, and you got the orange and black outsole. You got your Nike Air heel tab here with the black heel tab and the orange, as you can see, Nike Air. Also, the medial side, regular Air Max 90, man. You feel me? You see what it is? It's just a fire color. You know what I'm saying? Nothing changed in detail. If you look really close, I don't know if you can see, but it's the swoosh on there is patterned a little bit. I don't know if you want to call it like a little etched in, I don't know, snake skin, rattle type of feel, whatever on there. But these dope, man. I really wanted to have these in the collection. There's a mixture of patterns on here. You have suede, leather, and this canvas on here, this nylon on here, I should say. And I mean, it's just dope. And you know, of course, you got the plastic eyelets for the laces and everything on there. And yes, this is considered the reverse duck camo. It is not the Atmos version. This is one that I am super proud to have in my collection. If you are able to pick this shoe up, let me know. If not, let me know why not. Are you not an Air Max fan? Are you not a 90s fan? Or did you just strike out like I did and just said, forget it, I'm not going to StockX? Either way, drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think. But until later, I'm going to hit y'all with this on foot.